Jersey number 9 to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 5, Tetra Latao. Rebound taken from jersey number 5, nice pass. Off the last 2 points. 47-52.
47-52.
Pero man na, sa 2 minutes mo, duwa na lang.
Jersey number 8. 3-point pass, no good. Out of bounds. Minutes. Now jersey number 2, dribbling the ball. Pass to 27, pull up jumper, Abos, rebound by 9, Abos 1, available foul. Nagwa. Hindi nagwa. Rebound by 27, another whistle. Basket first free. Sunod, rebound again by 24. Pass to jersey number 3. To jersey number 24. Jersey number 24. Spin move. Deflected. Knockout to jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number 17. 3-point pass. No good. Rebound again by 27. Now jersey number 27. Now jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 2. Now he's dribbling the ball. Pass to 27. Back to jersey number 2. To jersey number 5. 10 to shoot. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 3. Steal by 27. Now jersey number 27. Foul. Basket down.
Suarez. Suarez sa sana.
Basket. O isa na lang basket. 51-52. Last 7 minutes and 40. Now jersey number 19. Dribbling the ball, deflected from behind, attacking the basket, layup, no good. Rebound by 19, pass straight to jersey number 5. Layup, good. Basket, 1 point.
Sumunod.
Jersey number 16, dribbling the ball.
Muntik na maagaw.
10 to shoot. 2 points.
Basket by Suarez.
54-51. Last 7 minutes.
51.
Jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Attacking the basket. There is no whistle. Number 9. The jersey number 2. Spin move. 10 to shoot. Pull up jumper. 2 points.
Basket by
Bumalik sa
Alenio.
isa avansin.
54-53 for 1 point lead by
Now jersey number
San
19.
Roque.
Pass to jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Dribbling the ball, asking for screen. Foul to go. Jersey number 99. Moving screen. 54-53. Sana lang avansin. Jersey number 27. To jersey number 9. To jersey number 5. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Still. There is no whistle. First personal foul. Now jersey number 19. Dribbling the ball. Jersey number 8 to jersey number 99 to 31 to 19 of the last 2 points.
By MJ Alelis.
5 minutes.
56-53.
56-53. Now jersey number 27. 3-point fires, no good. There is a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 9.
Tatlo pala, sir.
Tambahan kataas. Nakuha niya pa. Na-save pa. Jersey number 16. Attacking the basket. Deflected from behind. Pass break. Nakuha pa. Save pa. Good. Jersey number 27. Layup. 2 points. Ay isa na lang save.
56-55.
Now jersey number 24. Deflected. Another save.
68, 55.
Now jersey number 2 to jersey number 29. With dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 9 to 27. 10 to shoot. Fade away. No good. Rebound taken by 29. Deflected. Now pass to jersey number 99. Pass to 19. Now jersey number 19. Drop pass to jersey number 16. Play. Foul. O basket, first free throw, 59-55. 320 remaining time. 2 out of 2, 16, 55, Limagan safe. Three-point, no good. Out of pass to jersey number 16. The last 3 minutes. Now jersey number 8. Harassed by jersey number 5. 10 to shoot. Tawid away, ikaw pa. 5 to shoot. 3.5. Jersey number 2. Last 2 minutes and 26. Jersey number 9. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 3 seconds violation. Jersey number 8. Dribbling the ball. Last 2 minutes. 3-point to good. Out of bounds. 1 minute. Pass to jersey number 2. To jersey number 29. To jersey number 5. Back to 29. 3 points. No good. And rebound taken by jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 8. To jersey number 31. To jersey. Nice pass na lang. May pass. Full safe.
55.
Full no ka. Now jersey number 2. Attacking the basket. There's a whistle. Foul. 1 minute and 20. 1 minute and 20. Oh, ay nasunod na rin ko. Jersey number 99. There's a whistle. Jersey number 8. Harassed by jersey number 5. Deflected. Still by jersey number 2. The layup, 2 points.
57-65. Time
Time
out.
out, time out.
Sun Rocker.
Both teams in penalty. Now jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 19. Deflected. Now go pass jersey number 29. 15 seconds. Long 2 points. No good. Like it. Pass to jersey number 19. 14 seconds. Tahu ay ba? 30! Layup 2 points.
55-59.
20! Jensen!
No good.
Why did ilang dapat 5! Basket first free throw.
6:59.
4.
End of the ball game.
Oh, congratulations both teams. Winner.
9 winner.
San Roque.
San Roque.